Now, the system has been dumping snow across northern Arizona throughout the day. Right now, we're going to our meteorologist Lee Born, who's been tracking this storm. So, Lee, can you tell us how much more can we expect in the coming hours?
Well, we're not going to expect much more. The bulk of the storm system's already through us. But how about that job? The FUSD superintendent, he's going to go out and drive around on the sheet of ice tonight and see if they should have a delay tomorrow, because the roads are just a mess. Snow-packed out there with this storm system today. Here's a look at it. A big storm encompassing all of the Intermountain West. Rotation's not hard to pick out. The main cold front is what brought the bulk of the snow during the middle of the overnight hours into the early morning hours. Then it shifted off in eastern Arizona. Now we're on the backside trying to get some wraparound showers, and that's what's been going on all day, although it's pretty inactive for us here across Arizona. And I'm expecting that most of this storm system is a done deal as far as the precipitation goes. Taking a look at the radar, here we are in Flagstaff. Hard to pick out Payson. There's still some showers down along the eastern Mogollon Rim. Everything coming out of the northwest towards the southeast, and even Prescott still getting some showers out there right now. But notice pretty quiet for Flagstaff. Maybe a little bit of activity up towards the San Francisco peaks, and things will wind down here as we make our way through the overnight. And in the main weather forecast in just a little bit, we'll have a look at some of the snow totals from around the region, which in general are around 3 to 9 inches of snow, and even the lower locations, some of the more desert and valley locations picking up a couple inches of snow. And the storm's over as far as the precipitation, but it's going to leave in its wake the coldest temperatures of the season. A very cold night ahead. Here's a look at some of today's snowfalls. Munns Park topping everybody off at 9.3 inches, and it seems like down to the south a little bit more. Happy Jack at 7.1. Around Flagstaff, 4 to 6 inches in general, but a pretty snow, nice and fluffy out there compared to that Friday storm system, which was just kind of a mess. And all the way down the line, Sedona checking in with a few inches. Prescott as well. And this latest storm system bringing us up to 27.07 inches of precipitation, way above average on the calendar year. And we're now in the 12th wettest calendar year since record keeping began in 1898. Obviously a cold day, 27 degrees was our high, and that was set before the cold front went through it, like midnight last night. It's been getting colder ever since. Here's a wide look at the storm system. Big area of low pressure that's going to just slowly creep out of here. Most of the moisture not in Arizona right now, out in the Rocky Mountains and also up in Utah. And this is a big winter weather maker for the entire West. Just wanted to show you the NOAA homepage and all these purples and pinks throughout the Rocky Mountains. Those are all winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings. Our winter weather advisory expired at 6 o'clock because this thing's winding down. Here we are in Flagstaff. Maybe a few showers to go as we make our way through the night. Nothing as far as any additional accumulation. And some of these heavier bands to the south of Flagstaff, maybe down towards Lake Erie right now, and moving on to the eastern Mogollon Rim and White Mountains, maybe another inch or so. But this stuff's going to rapidly die down here as we make our way through the overnight. A cold night in store. Currently, it's 22 in Flag, 32 in Sedona, 33 in Winslow. And if we take a look at the temperatures, I just want to show you throughout the West, it's cold, but we're colder in northern and central Arizona than all the way up in Minneapolis. It's at 34 degrees, and that would be one of the warmer locations in Arizona right now. All right, overnight tonight, 5 degrees for us in Flagstaff. A cold Tuesday morning, and there's not a lot of warming up to do. 27 degrees, our high temperature forecast. Partly cloudy skies with a little chilly northerly breeze through the day tomorrow. Statewide temperatures on the chilly side as well. Sedona only 37 for a high temperature. Same in Prescott, Payson 34. Winslow 36. Tuba City 32 degrees. So it's going to remain chilly through much of the week with very cold overnight lows. Single digits, even forecasting 0. Tomorrow night, finally, it looks like we get some warmer temperatures here as we move into the weekend as temperatures get into the mid-40s.